Okay, here we are today. I just finished painting and cutting up the horse stall mats that I got from Tractor Supply Company to make these nice looking uh, infinity targets, or DIY infinity targets. Let the paint dry and we'll check them out later and see how they work.
And check it out, we're clear. And I'm gonna go ahead and load up, and then I'll show you the results after I take these shots. We're shooting 20 PLR through it. See if it goes up. All right, here we go. 9mm, 115 grain. Oop, that was a little low. Right there. All right. Okay, as you can see, I had spray painted over that target already from hitting it with some rounds, and I'm gonna put some more rounds in it so you can see how it works. And here we go. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, target after taking, took a things today, 22 LR and 9mm. And here's the back of it. And we'll go check the other one here too. Further downrange, this one took a combination 9mm and 22 LR, 150 grain in 9mm and 40 grain in a 22 LR and 36. You have it, and also the back of it. It's still intact. It didn't fall apart. So, uh, we'll see how we're gonna put some more rounds through it, and we'll do an update and kind of give a final round count with this. Kind of let you know, hey, if it's worth to do this yourself, these self-healing targets. And this is your Bill Tactical. As always, peace.